Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny be investing in BI, and we are back with the fourth and full TeddySwap development update, January 23rd, 2023. Let's take a look at the sentiment here. We've got some excitement from the few people that have responded so far. Let's do a refresh and see where we're moving. Yeah, we're getting some retweets. Let's hit that retweet. Boom. Let's check out what we've got going on. So, fourth development update. We are excited to release our fourth development update. TeddySwap is an open source decentralized exchange protocol on Cardano, focusing on stablecoins, so a stable swap. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be making a playlist on future TeddySwap updates and just covering the project and covering my dealings with the project, using the protocol, swapping, and just testing and seeing what they built. So with that being said, let's get started here. Welcome to our fourth development update. TeddySwap was born over just a month ago, and it's been an eventful journey thus far. Up to this point, we've released 3 development updates, our light paper, tokenomics, and accepted the FISO applications from single stake pool operators. Interesting. We received over 130 applications for our FISO and look forward to releasing more details soon. Additionally, our community has grown to over 16,000 Twitter followers, 14,000 Discord members, and 9,000 Telegram members. We've conducted over 7 giveaways, which will all occur near the launch of our protocol, which is planned for Q1 2023. Our most recent giveaway can be found here, and they have a link to it. Let's see what the requirements are on that real quick, and then we'll get back. First 15,000 followers, and they've hit that, so that's over. That is over. I was already following them, so no biggie there. Hopefully you were as well. Technical progress. This is going to be cool. Last Friday, we launched our first demo showing the TeddySwap UI and displaying a swap on a preview testnet. Here, we present the full video where one of our core developers, Clark, I hope I'm not going to butcher this name, Clark Alesna, takes us through the full wrapping experience and explains the underlying technology. That'll be cool. I want to do that in a separate video just in case they are using copywritten music, because they did that last time and I had to edit my video, which I don't really like to do. I don't like to edit it. I just kind of like bring you the raw experience. I like this format that we have here. So let's take a look. Front end. In our last development update, we shared this link where people could start playing around with the TeddySwap UI and get a feel for the DEX. This week, our front-end developers worked on adding charts in the yield farming section. However, it hasn't been deployed on the site just yet. It's always our code. Oh, as always, our code can be found here on GitHub. So it looks to be open source. Okay. So we've got this test. Oh, this is cool. We'll definitely, yeah, this is like a testnet. We'll play with that. Yeah, that'll be fun. So I need to keep that link. All right. So backend API. Last week, we identified performance issues with our database queries. With the help of the text pipe team, interesting name, we were able to optimize the database and significantly improve query performance. A specific endpoint that previously took 100 seconds to load now takes just 2 seconds, as demonstrated in the demo video. So they got that fixed for the demo video. That's neat. V2 contracts. This week, we completed the contracts for user interaction. There are the equivalent of the swap, deposit, and withdraw mentioned in the video by Clark, but adapted for the stable invariant formula, which is the foundation for the stable swap. So that's the formula that makes things cheaper. It makes swapping cheaper than typically swapping just regular tokens and coins. Next week, we are planning to complete the minting policy smart contracts for liquidity tokens. Nice. So they'll do the LP tokens. Final remarks. Thank you for reading our fourth development update. will soon release the details of our fair initial stake pool offering, or the FISO, and announce the TeddySwap FISO pools. That'll be interesting. Unfortunately, the pool that I have the most ADA in, it doesn't qualify because they have like 7 million tokens, and there was a cutoff. So that's going to suck. We've experienced strong growth thus far, and this would not be possible without the support of our community. Thank you for joining in on our mission to create a seamless DEX experience, focus on stablecoins, and build on the foundation of open source code, transparency, and decentralization. So this is going to be interesting, seeing a dApp, which I believe will probably be a premier dApp on Cardano, be just open source flat out the gate, have everything kind of no Wizard of Oz stuff going on, no cloaks, no curtains that you have to pull back. Everything's right there, ready to roll. Hopefully, we won't have any issues with security. Not saying that because something's open source that you'll have security, but if everybody can see the code, and maybe some evildoers, bad actors might get the jump on things, like I said in previous videos, front running on the DEX, things like that. So that affects everyone. And then I'll drop some commentary and some video updates on the airdrop that we are anticipating as well. So make sure you follow the channel, hit that subscribe button. But this has been the 4th update for TeddySwap. We'll drop this video. We'll do a separate video on the full demo, of course, because we want to focus on just the demo. And in this video, just kind of give you a quick overview and read through of the development update. So thank you again for checking out the channel. Make sure you hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.